Kani gadega Patisi TV.
Shibenta ka Pynkhreh ban lek ai Jingïarap ban penlan ya ka Jingim jong ki babun Lada wanja ki Lynshop ki bor ka Mariang ha kini kisngi bamenta lai I ba sarkar bat ki weide ki kenhon ki la pentebet kerpang ya ki brio bat ki kenhon ki ban shimti ya kini ka benta ka sarkar jela lingba kitnat sarkar boper ha keleng ki distrik jong jela kila ai Jingïarap ya ki Paidbah nong snong kenthop nadu ha ki snong ki thau kumju ha ki jakapule nadu ki khana skul menta ka kenti ya kani ka senjam la shemru sakawai ne kitnat Shipai jongkari kabade kitnat Shipai Lieng Suiñ ne ka Indian Air Force ka banadu la shai ka sngi ka nyotre ujeliu hadu ka sngi babuat kata ka pratreng kan sapen inam ya ka Pynkhreh Shipai jongkani kitnat bat ki balong ki blakloi ban lek ai Jingïarap shikilanot kumju ban plat im ya ki Jingim jongki babun Lada wanja ka Lynshop ki bor ka Mariang Shibenta ka Pynkhreh Paidbah ya kini ka Pen inam ka baar sngi hane ka sngi ki he jong ka Indian Air Force Eastern Air Command ringkat umentri rang ba jong kini ka jelau Dr. Mukul sangma kilai kendu kerpang ru ikinong pathai kubor ban penpena halor kini ka mock drill jong ki Shipai Air Force ringkat kiwai di kitnat Shipai bat ki pulet na kitnat paper jong ka sarkar jela.
For any calamity or any situation, we have geared up, we have assets ready, we have our in the Air Force our aircraft and aircrew standing by at a short notice. It is just a question of alarm bell being rung and we straight away react. Now, as far as any disaster is concerned, that is an immediate reaction, immediate relief. But for any disaster to be mitigated, there are various steps. There are 3-4 steps which Janadatta will, I'm sure will tell you. For that to happen, we have to work together with civil administration, state machinery, there are various stakeholders, 17 to 19 stakeholders. Everyone has to work in synergy. It is not an exercise purely for Meghalaya, it is entire Northeast. But being co-located with Meghalaya, the representation from Meghalaya is much more. And interaction with Meghalaya is much more because the headquarter here is located. But as I said, like we are already, we got a booklet from Meghalaya because we are co-located. Similarly, we have asked all the other states also to exchange these booklets so that we know whom to contact at what stage. And our stations which are located in these respective states, they are always in liaison with the respective state governments in case of calamity comes. Like now, monsoon season is coming. So entire Assam region, Brahmaputra Valley will be prone to floods. Our aircraft are already standing by. Our SCON stations are already in touch with state government. Whenever required, they will be activated. So it is not only Meghalaya, it is the entire Northeast, wherever the Eastern Air Command AOR is concerned.
Today's exercise goes beyond just one particular organization of the defense organization. Beyond that, even all the other organizations under MHA, not just the defense organization, but organizations under MHA. You have the ITBP, you have the BSF, you have the other organizations under MHA, all coming together. It's a question of pulling in the resources of the nation, not just the state. You have the National Disaster Management Authority, which is chaired by the Prime Minister, and you have the State Disaster Management Authority, which is chaired by the Chief Minister. So there is a complete, the kind of SOPs which is already laid. There are protocols which are required to be followed. What is required now is to ensure that even though these whole operative procedures, SOPs are available, are we really acclimatized with these?
Kani gadega Patisi TV.